upper levels entrance. Where you can do tap and go as well here, same as at Watford. This is the lift at John Street car park in Stoke-on-Trent. It's an old express. Whoa! Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. We're at 6. We're at 6. Go down to ground. It's got Dewhurst button. Old express buttons. There's another lift here, it's the same. Serves the other floors, but it's not working, I don't think. It's actually quite dodgy, this one. We're at ground. Takes ages to open, and we'll finish off at 1. This is the lift at Wilkinson's in Stoke-on-Trent. And we're going to go up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This used to be an old Otis, but it was modernised with a Thyssen. Capacity 16 persons, 1130 kilos. Hurrah, 1. Go back down to G.
Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor.
Hurrah, back at G.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at Boots in Stoke-on-Trent. Door close button does work like that. Used to be an Evans, but it's been modernised to unknown. Capacity 7 persons, 544 kilos. It's got a nice motor.
Lift going up.
Right, basement. Go back up to ground.
Doors closing.
It's quite nice, this lift. Here we are back at G.
Ground floor. Doors
And that's it.
open.
This is the lift at TK Maxx in Stoke-on-Trent. And we're going to go up to 2. Door close button does work like that, but it's a bit stiff, the button itself. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos, built in 2005. And we're stopping at 1. Don't know why we're stopping at 1. It's that keypad system. This might actually be floor 2. I think this lift is messed up. Might as well go back down to G. Don't want to get stuck. It's actually a messed up lift. Here we are back at G. Hope the doors open. Yes, they do. That's good. And that's it. This is another lift at TK Maxx in Stoke-on-Trent. It's another ThyssenKrupp. Don't know what the capacity is, and we don't know what the year is because it doesn't say. Obviously in terrible conditions. And there's an exclamation mark. Go back down to G. Door close button does not work. This is another futuristic keypad system, which is actually very dodgy, this lift. Here we are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Primark in Stoke-on-Trent. Wow. Capacity is 25 persons, 2,000 kilos, built in 2006. It's a Notice Gen 2 with a dodgy door, very loud. Here we are at 2, go back down to G. Here we are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Next in Stoke-on-Trent. We're going to go up to 1. Door close button does not work. It's in Oakland. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos, built in 2002. And it's hydraulic. Here we are at 1. Go back down to G.
Mind the door, please.
Here we are back at G. And that's it. This is the glass lifts at the Potteries shopping centre in Stoke-on-Trent. These used to be Schindlers and Cones, but these got replaced into Schindler 5500s. replaced in 2019. The original lift was built in 1987. These are MRLs, the original ones weren't. Down to 1. Very busy. Here we are at 1, go back up to 3. Go back up to 3. Some nice lifts here. Here we are at 3, and that's it. This is another lift at the Potteries shopping centre in Stoke-on-Trent. This also used to be a Schindler and Cone, and this also got replaced into a Schindler 5500. I'm going to go up to 6. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos. This one was replaced in 2018.
Lift is going up. Door closing.
I'm going to go up to 6. Here we are at 6.
Door 6.
Go back down to 3.
Opening. Lift is going down.
Go back down to 3.
Closing.
Here we are at 3.
3.
And that's it. This is the lift at the Boulevard in Stoke-on-Trent. We'll go down to G. Door close button does work like that. It's a Konica disc. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2015. Go back up to 1. It's a very nice eco disc. We're at 1. It has this square button. It's MRL. This is the lift at the Potteries car park in Stoke-on-Trent. This used to be an older lift. It got replaced with a Schindler 5500. Capacity is 33 persons, 2500 kilos. Go back up to 7. Door close button does work like that. This was replaced in 2018. We're going to change lifts on 7 because one of these has a different voice. 2 different indicators too, which is very interesting. These are very nice. The original ones were junk because they're DMG in. Here we are at 7. Take this one back down to 1 and we'll get another lift. And that's the old motor room for the original lifts. They're now MRLs. Very nice lifts here. This one on the left. It's got a different voice.
Lift is going down.
Capacity is 33 persons, 2500 kilos. Replaced in 2018.
Door opening.
£2.80. Just asked for the receipt. And the last one, which is the 50p. There's the ticket. And there's the receipt. Oh, it opened. Oh, there we go. The barrier automatically opened. It's got ANPR, that's why.